Journey with us to fantastic worlds beyond your imagination, to a future within our grasp. DNTAS.com, your ticket to tomorrow.
SoVran is the first of 3 suns within the DNTAS tri-system and is a yellow dwarf sun very similar to the Earth star. SoVran is made primarily of hydrogen and through a process called thermonuclear fusion, fuses hydrogen atoms to make helium. The center of SoVran is about 30 million degrees Fahrenheit. It takes about 170,000 years for just one molecule to travel from the center to reach the upper atmosphere. SoVran creates a constant solar wind that streams a magnetic field of particles that interact with all the planets. Megron is the first planet in the SoVran star system and is a hot gas giant that orbits in close proximity to our Sun. It only takes 10 days for Megron to circle SoVran. Megron is 5 times the size of Jupiter and is tidally locked, which means one side constantly faces the Sun. Because of the extreme heat from being so close to SoVran, an amazing transformation takes place within the hydrogen atmosphere. Molecules torn apart from the day-night temperature swings of 5,000 degrees create mighty hurricane-force winds spanning the length of the entire hemisphere. Ban is the second planet that circles SoVran and was once a gas giant like Megron. Intense radiation from SoVran created a process called hydrodynamic escape, which stripped Ban to its rocky metallic core. Ban has become a Chthonian planet with no atmosphere. Ban is more enormous and a far denser planet than most terrestrial worlds like Mercury or Mars. Ban is 10 times the mass of Earth and is known as a mega-Earth. The thick hot core remains very active and produces clouds of fire jet streams that erupt around the entire planet. Dunzir is the only desert world found within the 3 systems of DNTAS. Water is rare on Dunzir, yet exotic life forms have found a way to populate the terrestrial planet. Daytime temperatures rise to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, bringing life to a standstill. To survive the onslaught of the intense heat, sand-dwelling crustaceans and reptile-like creatures burrow deep within the surface. As day slowly fades into night, the planet's landscape becomes alive as creatures rise from beneath the surface and begin a nightly ferocious terrestrial battle for survival. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating exoplanet within the land of DNTAS. And while you're at it, check us out on YouTube and TikTok.
Journey with us to fantastic worlds beyond your imagination, to a future within our grasp. DNTAS.com, your ticket to tomorrow.
The world of DNTAS is home to an advanced celestial civilization. DNTAS has 3 artificial rings that orbit the planet. They were built by the great civilization of DNTAS in order to benefit all of DN-kind. The innermost ring is interstellar communications. The middle ring supplies DNTAS with endless solar energy. And the third ring is a spaceport to the stars. We are a race of space explorers who have ventured forth into space in search of discovery and wonder. Norsum is known as a super-Earth because of its size and is the 5th planet that resides in the SoVran Solar System. The majestic rings of Norsum are a sight to behold. They mystified the ancient people of DNTAS. The ancients worshipped Norsum as the mighty Kokina warrior who traveled the night sky in search of adventure. But today's descendants can ride the Kokina space elevator and experience stunning views of the rings of Norsum, traveling from the surface to deep space and back, offering unparalleled vistas and close-ups our ancestors could have never imagined. Ventua is planet number 6 and has surface temperatures so cold that water ice plays the role of rock. Ventua's surface is sculpted by methane rain, which carves river channels and fills Great Lakes with liquid natural gas in an endless cycle. Deep within the lakes are found lumbering behemoth life forms that move ever so slowly within the deep, dark sub-zero environment. Serpent-sized creatures populate the rivers, ponderously navigating the dense methane channels. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating exoplanets within the land of the Antas. Please join us in our exciting journey to the stars by subscribing and clicking the like button below.